What if I told you the future of driving isn't just electric? It's luxurious, practical, and downright thrilling. Meet the 2025 Audi Q6 E-Tron, Audi's latest masterpiece in the EV world. The 2025 Audi Q6 E-Tron is a mid-size electric SUV that's redefining luxury and performance. With up to 373 miles of range and ultra-fast charging capabilities, it's built to eliminate range anxiety while turning heads. But there's so much more. Let's dive in. The Q6 E-Tron's design is sleek and futuristic. The closed-off single-frame grille and digital matrix LED headlights give it a bold presence. Spy shots reveal an aggressive front fascia and dynamic rear lighting that's both functional and eye-catching. And those 21-inch aero-inspired wheels, pure sci-fi vibes. Inside, it's all about comfort and tech. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus dominates the dashboard with responsive dual displays. The eco-friendly seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, perfect for long drives. Need space? With 60.4 cubic feet of cargo room, it's ready for anything. With up to 523 horsepower in the SQ6 E-Tron, this SUV hits 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. Its adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, and the 800-volt architecture allows DC fast charging to recover 186 miles in just 10 minutes. Plus, advanced features like the augmented reality heads-up display and Audi's latest MIB4 infotainment system make it smarter than ever. The 2025 Audi Q6 E-Tron is the perfect blend of luxury, sustainability, and performance. Whether you're after cutting-edge tech or just a thrilling drive, this SUV delivers. So when are you taking it for a spin?